Hi guys, welcome back to Juanita's Create. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I got 700 subscribers in one day. I mean, in 24 hours, I got 700 subscribers. In fact, I'm counting actually. So let's go. Let me start the screen record. I'm going to show you exactly how I got it, and I want you to try it. So yeah, let me start the screen record. I don't want this video to be too long. All right, screen recording. So thank God I tried this thing. I was such a doubting Thomas, but I eventually tried it and it worked. So just try it. There's no harm in trying. So what I'm about to show you, I am urging you to try it. Give it a try and see, how it works for you. And hopefully you get your desired subscriber. And once you get the subscriber you desire, I think 1,000 subscriber is the goal to be able to qualify for the AdSense, to qualify for monetization. 1,000 subscriber and 4,000 watch hours. So once you get it, you just delete the short so that you won't stop. You now focus. You focus on your long form content, so that, because if you leave the shorts, you keep getting subscriber from the video. So yeah, this is the video. Things kids very much hate edition. So yeah, let me go to it has 24k 0.7 views and counting. Then it has 728 subscriber. You see, yeah, it has, this video has gotten me 728 subscriber. Yeah, 728 subscriber so far. So things kids very much hate edition. So this is what I did. I went to, let's go to YouTube. This to YouTube. Go to YouTube. This man, he's the one that is raining now. So I tried this. Somebody, Bookie Daily Tips with Bookie. I watched her video and this is what she did exactly. So you went to the guy. You go to the guy Prosperity X. He has 5 videos currently, but he used to have more than 5. But right now he has 5 videos. Click on the one that has more views, and I think it's what I did. No, I used. Okay, I use this Teens Kids Very Much Hate Edition. You go to this circle here, then click on collab, very essential, and then you drag it to 60 seconds, and then you drag it here, and then you go to next. I'm just going to show you, mute the mic, and then you just basically click on record short, and then you react like, yeah, make face, do different things, surprise face, look, yeah. And you can just be smiling and do, just keep reacting. Ooh, it looks yummy. Of course, you mute your mic. Smile at the beautiful creation that these people are creating. Ooh, yummy. Yeah, that looks absolutely delicious. You know, it has to be 60 seconds. You can make it less if you want, but I did mine for 60 seconds. And yeah, I did mine for 60 seconds. Just react, smile, Then you go to next. Processing, it takes a little while. Guys, just just follow the steps. And the most important thing is, I'll show you guys. The most important thing is hit collab. You don't want any issue with YouTube. You click on things, you click on the title here. When you write the title, you do the hashtags. Kids hate edition. You write it exactly how, you just copy and paste it, write it exactly how the man wrote it, Prosperity X. Then very essential, you do hashtag short, very very essential. Hashtag short. You do hashtag duets, because you want them to know, you don't want to get in any form of trouble. And then yeah, and then when you finish, you, of course, it's not made for kids, and then you hit public. That's it. Voila, you hit public, And that's it. I don't want to use this. I don't want to do this because I already have it on my page. So yeah, I will just, cancel it. I will cancel it because I don't want to use it. And that's it. That's what I basically did to get over 700 subscriber in one day. I was such a doubting Thomas. So guys, if you're going to be trying it, let me know in the comment section. This YouTube thing, we keep learning. We learn every day. We, of course, we learn and we unlearn, we learn and unlearn. So the advice is, once you get your desired amount, you make sure you delete the shorts so that you keep, because you keep getting, as I speak right now, I'm still getting subscribers, but I would go ahead and delete it because I know I've gotten my desired subscriber, so that they won't keep coming and then they won't watch my long form content. So I'll just get, subscriber from the long form content. So once you get your desired subscriber that you want, you delete it and then you continue with your long form. No harm. So go try it. Let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying it or if you've already tried it. And yeah, I wish you guys the very best, when trying it. I hope you would get the desired subscriber you want. See you in my next one. Bye for now. Join my community. Subscribe to Juanita Street. Let's grow together. And all you do, keep growing. Let's keep growing. Bye. Let me see if I can do thumbnail.